Well, morning everyone. This is probably going to be the last drive in the bus for a month or so, because either today or tomorrow I'm going to pull the engine and transmission. I'm getting the transmission rebuilt to a freeway flyer, and currently, as you know, the engine for this is getting rebuilt using a spare engine in here right now, which will probably go into my 61 bus. So yeah, this is kind of like the last hurrah. We're gonna go get breakfast, and so continue to follow, and we'll keep you updated with the status of Alfonso prepping for the cross-country journey to Arizona here in the next few months. How are we looking on your side? Let me.
I'm nervous about that pole up there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try not to push too hard.
Oh, push. Yeah, keep pushing. We had to go over this whole hump.
You can go around the corner. Got it lined up?
Guess we'll,
Push it through.
yeah, guess we'll push it through. It's in its home. It's going to be here for maybe a month, just over a month. All right, guys, so here we are. This is, I'm going to go ahead and remove the engine, going to go ahead and remove the transmission, and we're going to go ahead and get the transmission over to the guy who's rebuilding it, and he's going to make it a freeway flyer, so it'll be great for highway speeds. We're still going to keep a 1641 in it. This engine is probably going in the 61, so that's where we're at now. Let's go ahead and take apart this whole thing and get it over to the rebuilder. Okay, I have to take this. Transmission and a bad motor.
That's how easy it's supposed to be.
Alright guys, I dropped off the transmission to the transmission guy. I got to go ahead and order the 457 gear for the freeway flyer, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with Weddell Industries and get it shipped to his house. And Transmission build time is looking rebuilt and everything is about 6 weeks, and not bad. I'm already getting the engine rebuilt, so I can wait. That's where we're at right now. Heading over to someone else's place to get another part for the Beetle, and I might go drop off a couple tins to the engine builder. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy, be safe, and we'll see you next time.